Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthaphila-ke. Mina ngisacela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khonze ukwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ingakuphuthi lezi iy'ndaba-ke ongakwenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungabe ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke lithi-ke the leadership of the ANC in the province including its provincial secretary Bheki Mtolo had branded Cyril Ramaphosa a criminal who should not lead the ANC owing to the Phala Phala scandal. Sunday Times reports that the ANC has stripped the KwaZulu-Natal Provincial Executive Committee of its powers after the party's dismissal performance in the 29 May 2024 polls. Branches have told the ANC NWC of how difficult it was to campaign for Cyril Ramaphosa during the May elections after provincial leadership sullied his name at Nasrec in 2022. Leadership experts say that weak leaders are vindictive, are good at finger-pointing, tending to blame others for failures, denying own mistakes, and rely on making excuses. Mina ngicela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke ungene ema-comment section-ke ufike ushiye-ke uvo lwakho-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke ukuthi wena-ke ucabanga kanjani-ke mase ucinzana nebhathini nje usubscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khonze ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizoloku ngikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke so ongakwenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje.